It's fall and I have a bunch of leaves everywhere, so I picked up this leaf blower. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. It's fall and you may have leaves that fall everywhere. Man, they just kind of pile up. They kind of blow up against the house, onto the patio, onto the front porch. And I like sweeping them off, but I don't like doing it with a broom. And so I picked up this. It's by Chemo, and it is a tiny little leaf sweeper, cordless, so I can take it anywhere. And it comes in this little box. Look at that. So let's unbox this thing, put it together, and try it out. So the one thing that I'm surprised about is how small this box really is. And I think that's going to mean this is going to be very easy to carry, very light. So we have some piping here, which is going to be kind of the nozzle to blow everything through. Then it looks like we also have a charger right here. So the battery will slide in there, 2-prong outlet. So you charge up the battery. And then we have, looks like an instruction booklet, which I probably won't need because it's going to be so obvious how this thing goes together. And then we also have the battery right here. And kind of looks like your standard power tool battery. It's black, little button here to clip it in, to lock it in, and lithium ion 20 volt. But it looks like on the front here we have a little button to check charge status. So geez, that looks like it might be fully charged already. Probably throw in the charger. But here is the business end of it, and it's pretty small. I mean, it's actually kind of like a hand saw to me. You can see here we have trigger, nice handle. It's pretty light plastic. I mean, it seems like it's pretty durable, but you know, this is not that heavy. You can feel that there's like a motor in here, and then the blower, I think it'll suck the air in there and then blow it out there. You can see here we have some cuts here so that you can put on the tube. So there are a couple little posts right in there, which will slide into these slots, just like, let's see if I can line them up, just like this. And then you'll twist it to lock it in place. And that's a tight fit, which is good because you want it nice and tight, but then it kind of cams it in there. So then we'll have one more here, which is this piece. And again, you can see we have those little posts in there. So that'll fit into these slots, just like this, and then twist it on. That'll lock it in. You can see, like I said, pretty small. All right, I'm gonna just take the battery here, slide it into the back, see if we have a charge on this bad boy. Whoa! Yeah, baby! This thing is pretty loud. 20,000 RPM blower. I think this might do the trick. I will say right off the bat, it's louder and it appears to be more powerful than I expected out of something so small. So let's take it out and see if we can move some leaves with it. So both me and the blower are charged up and ready to go. First of all, you can see, this is always a pain here, all the leaves that blow up against my garage door. So I'm just gonna see if I can move these out of the way here, because if they stick around, basically when I open the garage door on a windy day, they all blow into my garage. So let's give this sucker a try. Woo! Holy smokes. Wow. These leaves are kind of wet too, which is kind of impressive. This thing puts out way more power than I would have thought for its size. Wow. And I'm not sure if it's because the nozzle is kind of small. It's really just shooting out a jet of air. I don't know, but this thing is crazy powerful. This is like super satisfying. There. See how wet this stuff is? And it's just moving it. It's kind of slicing right through it. It's pretty amazing. Wow. Well, I tell you what, that was way easier than sweeping it with a broom. That's for sure. Okay, let's try out some more stuff. All right, out here on the patio, and obviously the leaves are everywhere. Look at this. It's right in there in the seam. Clears that out. Crazy. That's awesome. All right, guys. I love this. Even where the leaves are getting hung up on the chair and stuff here, it makes short work of it. I'm really impressed. One, because of how small and light this is, and how convenient and easy it is to maneuver. Anyone can use this. And two, just because of how small it is, I thought maybe it wouldn't be that powerful, but I was wrong. And then, on top of that, this thing is super affordable. And so, if you are looking for basically a leaf sweeper that's not going to break the bank, I think you need to pick this one up. I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.